right, on the way to Rancho Cucamonga. What shop are we going to?
Art of Attack.
Art of Attack. Ricky is getting a kit for the Supra, so we're making a day trip, a little quick run out there, and we're probably gonna go swing by a brewery, have a couple of drinks, maybe some Trulies. The extra ones that are delicious. And then we're gonna load up the truck and then head back. But it should be some fun stuff over at this shop. They just came back from what track did they go to? ChuckWalla. So there's gonna be all their race cars are gonna be at the track. So we're gonna do a little walk around all their cars and take a look at this kit, see what it looks like. What's the kit? INGS kit. So should be dope. Supra's gonna be spicy after this. So keep you updated. We're still on the road on the 15. Bunch of retard drivers and truck drivers and bad traffic. So making our way. We'll be there soon. So we stopped for a beer because we got here early. Hamilton Brewing Company, very good. Had a triple mango IPA. Super hipster of us, but they were delicious and they were 10%. So now we have to go find food because they don't serve food here. Before we start smashing Trulies over at, what's the name of the place again? Art of Attack?
Art of Attack.
I'm retarded, I can't remember anything. So we're gonna head over to some place to get food. Maybe end up just going to another brewery. I don't fucking know. We'll see what happens. What's up, guys? Got here a little early. They're still stuck in traffic from the track. So they're gonna be here at 4. It's a little bit after 3 right now. So we're just gonna wait and smash some Trulies and chill, wait for them to get here, and take a look at some of the cars that got here in the shop. Art of Attack, that's where we're at. Here comes the Art of Attack Civic. He drove it all the way to the track? Damn, son. Oh, it's right-hand drive too? What's going on? That thing's nice. Yeah, that thing's clean. That thing's clean. Yeah, it's awesome.
It's like a perfect car.
Just came back from a track day. Keys Racing, Cusco Cage, JRZ coilovers with the reservoirs in the back, Mugen strut tower bar, ITBs. This car's nice. What do you think?
Dream car right here.
Sell the Supra, bro.
Fuck Supra.
Fuck the Supra.
I was talking to you on Facebook, right?
Yeah,
what
yeah,
was it that I was talking to on
Him.
Facebook? Okay.
He's the Supra guy.
So you were taking the full kit then?
Yeah.
Okay. So,
It's a big ass shop.
so yeah, I think you had bids on it then. And
I did.
I told you someone else was interested, right?
Yeah, I put a deposit down.
So we have another kit that is it's incomplete. So we're waiting for a couple more pieces to come in. And I guess someone else, it was one of my sales guys, but I guess someone else wanted to buy just the pieces that were already here.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
That worked out.
And then I think he's waiting for the rest of the kit or something. So since you had bids, you got the full one.
That worked out.
This one right here? I'm not sure. Let's... Nope, this one.
Yeah, this box.
Yep. So this is the one with the fenders,
Yeah, everything.
Yeah, there you go.
side skirts, front and rear.
We might actually put this all in the back and just strap
Maybe.
it in. Leave it in the box.
Oh, you think it'll fit in the box?
I don't think so.
It's a big box. It's a little oversized.
Yeah, but we have the strap, so just leave the tailgate down and we'll just strap it in. It'd be better than taking it all out and leaving it loose.
I mean,
It's better to keep it in the box.
Go ahead and check it out for a second.
we'll see. We'll
Yeah.
see how it fits.
I think it'd be better to keep it in the box. I want to go check out the Supra though. We'll come back and look at that later. I love this blue.
This is a factory blue.
Yeah, another S2000, Type R, Integra. What the fuck is that? Yeah, go ahead. Take your time. We're not in a rush. This is the kit?
Yeah.
Damn, this thing looks sick,
not
bro.
the carbon front thing.
Yeah, I know, but
Other
still,
than that,
like everything else looks sick. I love that. That's,
the double slit.
yeah. Love 2 slits.
Oh, fuck my slit.
Demonetized for sure. Fix that in post. It has this rear kit too?
Yeah.
Damn. Dude, that's gonna be nuts. That looks wild. Are you gonna paint that bottom piece black like that?
Flat black, not.
Yeah, so
like
it has
satin
it
black.
has like a difference, yeah.
Yeah, I don't want it to be red.
All the same color. These are 18s, huh?
Yeah, these are the. Yeah, it's a downsize.
Yeah, that looks nice. I like that better.
Fatter tire.
I like that better.
Yeah.
What size tires are you running?
Probably like in the back or a 315. Maybe.
295.
Really?
295, 35, 18.
295, 30.
It's small. You could fit a bigger tire back there. You could put a 305, 35 probably. Or a 305, 30.
People
But
do
I would
315s on the back, but that's big.
maybe a 315, 30.
Yeah, I'll do a 305.
There's a nice seats too with the
305,
bride seats with the halo. I know you guys can't see that, but too much reflection on the glass. Is it open? Perfect. Yeah, bride seat with the halo, bride Cusco harness, bride seat. Oh, that's got that nice cage that you like too, the roll bar.
Yeah.
You have to like, damn, look how thick the padding is. That's why the car's so quiet on the inside. That's wild. There's like 2 inches of padding right there. Look at that. Can't see that. Let me try to get down there. Yeah. Shitty lighting, but that's okay. Yeah, it's nice. You can close it. What turbo is he running? It's a pure 7? Pure 8?
I have no idea.
Open the hood.
No.
Ricky's a pussy.
Oh, my car.
That's nice though.
With that OEM S2000 hardtop.
There, we were just talking about that. It's so funny. OEM S2000. Look at all these fucking motors.
Those are, yeah, 2 S2000 motors.
Yeah, and then
K-series.
K-series.
K-swap. That's a K motor.
Yeah.
That's,
See, like that's the tire machine I'm talking about. That one right there.
yeah.
John Beam.
And that's actually nice too.
Yeah, there you go. John Bean balancer, John Bean tire machine. That's what we need. Yeah. Don't forget. I didn't forget about this, guys. It's a big shop. You can fit like 30 cars in here. TEs in the back.
ZE40s in the front.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, they're probably shooting a video here. I'll not step on that. Dude, this car, the paint is like perfect. So what's this for? Is that the factory mirror comes out of the door?
I think so.
And they moved it?
Yeah.
A carbon fiber B-pillar. This car's nice.
I like the two different
Oh,
ones.
this is cool. So instead of the factory height, it's a bracket that brings it up to give it a little more downforce. Look how small the exhaust is.
Yeah.
It's like little pea shooter
Yeah.
Honda Civic size exhaust. You like the 2 different wheels?
Yeah, I like that actually.
Yeah, me too. Yeah, this is nice. The shop is perfect. All right, Ricky.
Oh, it's got the real Mugen fucking.
Yeah, I was just about to say the Mugen Wing. I just saw that. And it's got a Regamaster Evos.
Yeah. Look, that wing is worth so much money.
Yeah, I'm sure.
S2000's dope.
Yeah, this S2000. You miss your S2000? Yeah, yours was nice.
It's a great car.
Yours was super nice. Oh, look at this.
It gutted the soft
Yeah,
top out.
gutted everything. It's super light, probably. Hey, at least you can get to the top of the coilovers now easily.
Yeah.
Dude, that was such a pain in the ass when we did yours. Yeah, wheels are nice. Advan GTs. Everything's got nice wheels, yeah. Are those ZEs too?
Those are CE28.
Oh, CE28 too. Oh, those are the guys getting the other kit. Make sure they don't take yours. I love the gusseting on the cage. This is like an in progress build. What is this? What am I looking at?
EG.
Okay. EG, other EG?
Oh, that one's an EK.
EK? Oh, I don't know anything about Hondas.
They got like a company like Mercedes Sprinter van or shit.
Yeah, that's nice. I want one of those Suzuki fucking shop, those little van we saw at Gears and Grind. Very cool. Looking at the right kit.
Yeah.
It's like spoon kits in here. Look, you know, the fucking tape. Spoon. Yeah, he's an idiot. I'm just pissed that you didn't fucking buy it through him.
Let's go ahead and carry it over to the big box so we can get it.
Yeah, it's like spoon exhaust. They're all spoon exhaust. That thing's cool as fuck too. Nice. I love this one.
Yeah, it's cool. OEM hardtop.
Yeah, another OEM hardtop. $5,000 hardtop. Oh, it's got that one bumper that's like. Yeah, it's got the like the mouth.
That's the new spoon bumper.
Just sucking in air. He's got a tubular front bumper support too. That's nice. You could tell he had some shitty wing on it before. Everything's open. Recaros.
Race car.
Yeah, it's a full race car for sure. Personal. Nice.
Mint. Like this fucking paint.
Yeah, it's pretty good for the age of the vehicle. It's got nice Recaros.
2000.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
21 years old.
98, 2000.
Like
fucking
factory.
those shifters that have like the adjustments, so you put it towards the driver.
When you do a K swap, you end up with that.
What is that motor right there? Just sitting on the wheel pan. A spicy downpipe on it.
It's boosted.
It's a modern Honda motor. Garrett.
Oh, that's the new. I think this is the new. The new
They're
Civic
putting this
Type
in
R.
there probably.
The new Civic Type R motor.
Yeah, this is gonna go into that.
Bro.
That'll be nasty. It is new. That's 2020. That's got 2021 written all over it. What's this?
I think it's an Integra.
It looks long.
Oh no. Oh, it's
No?
Integra.
Yeah, it's Integra.
With like a 1x1 hood, so it's like real JDM hood.
1x1 weave. Yeah.
Let's leave that for later.
Ask him what that is. Say, what's over there? I gotta pee again. Yeah, the bash bar.
They got like real shit. This is like a real Jay's race.
Car's fucking leaking oil all over the floor.
Probably like here.
It's probably blown.
The hood is a real like Jay's Racing hood. It's like a
Yeah.
1x1 carbon.
It's a nice shop.
Yeah, very nice.
Bro, everything's fake. Fuck out of here, Ronnie. I'm gonna send him the link to this video.
Guess what? It didn't arrive damaged.
Wow. What's under this car cover here? It's got some spicy wheels in the back. It's okay.
I think this is the carbon
Roof?
roof for the Supra.
Is this the carbon roof for the Supra?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Yep.
That's awesome.
Wow.
Yeah, those things are actually really nice. Fitment is really good on them. The finish is almost like ridiculous how good they get it. From
Yeah.
the carbon.
I mean, it's smart the way they did it. So you basically cut out the rain guard on the factory hood or the factory roof.
Yeah, you don't have to, and it's easy to go back to, which is nice. So you don't
Yeah.
have to do any permanent modification. You drill out some spot welds.
Yeah.
Yeah, and just
swap it out. Yeah.
it's nice.
Cool. So if you want to go back to the stock roof, then I don't know, it's like another $800,000 and work to swap it
Of
back.
course, no big deal.
But you can go back to the stock roof.
You got to destroy the carbon one. No biggie. What's underneath this car cover here?
This is another EK. This is a old famous show car that
I'm saying it's got some spicy wheels in the back. I'm seeing there.
This thing's, it's crazy. This was almost like one of the most famous show cars ever. Back
It's like
the
10 car covers on this thing.
Kind of started the Fast and Furious type stuff.
Oh.
Yeah, this car's super famous. I keep it hidden because it ends up stealing the attention when guys come visit. I'm like, hey, don't look at that. Look at our stuff.
The way you placed it, that's your fault.
Right? It's like right in the middle of the shop. Like, oh, what's over here?
Not the cover. It's even worse though because it's a bright ass yellow.
Yeah, it's very yellow.
It's crazy. The windows are tinted yellow. The interior.
Oh my
is all
God.
yellow vinyl.
Tinted yellow window?
Uh-huh.
Oh, dude.
Is it wide body?
Yeah, it's got.
I think I know what to call this.
That's nice.
That's cool.
That's cool, man.
And then what's
California, though, so you got that advantage.
Yeah, exactly.
Vegas
And what's that
sucks,
Integra over there under the?
Trash.
Yeah.
Don't move to Vegas.
Yeah, Vegas is garbage.
For car stuff.
You know, I've heard that a lot of times, but from buddies that live over there. But
The Vegas car scene's gone downhill. Like,
Yeah.
it's insane.
how's it going?
It's bad.
It's bad. We had a huge car club. Like, how long's it been now? Like 7 years.
Yeah, 7 years ago.
Like 7 years ago, we had like well over 120 members. Like all really high quality stuff, and it just dissolved over time. Like we all got older and it disappeared. But that was like the end of it.
Was it COVID stuff?
No. We're talking like
so
it's been like 5 years. Like we had like a good 2 or 3 year run where it was like solid, and like now the car scene in Vegas is trash.
We're like older and we like still appreciate good shit and like
Yeah, quality. Like
nobody else does.
no one else does.
It's so bad.
Like we're just walking around like every car's got like nice wheels, and Vegas is like
You know, we went
you're
through a
lucky.
little slump here too. I think around the same time. But in the last like year, things have kind of started to pick up, and I think now that everyone through COVID was so starved for events and being able to do
Yeah.
things,
Yeah, like hyped
I
up.
think this summer now is going to be nuts.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
Here's the office of the Art of Attack building. They got some dope sim rigs in here. It's like titanium exhaust, some endless brakes. Do a lot of Honda stuff. Spoon, a lot of spoon parts. Ooh, feels nice. Very cool. Torco Motel. Very nice office. Just a little bit so we can get this fucking relax. That's good right there. Stop. All right, I'm gonna get this monster box with this fucking kit into the car. That's not gonna fit right there.
Stick out like 10
Son of a bitch.
Son of a bitch. I left my truly can on his.
It's gonna be like upside down, crooked video.
Where do we eat at? Fucking tall as fuck.
That'll be okay.
It's taller than the car, bro.
That's fine. Yeah, it's fine.
All the way to Vegas, bro.
What's the problem? It's better to keep it in the box. Or do you want to turn it on its side? Ask him for tape and we'll turn it down on its side. Ask him for tape then. And we can turn it this way. Would you feel more comfortable with this way?
Won't be as tall, I think.
100%.
Be nice.
Alright, we're gonna move it. We gotta get tape gun though. Alright, we got the box all strapped in. Nice and toy like a toyga. Go grab some dinner.
Grab some Trulies.
Grab some Trulies and I'm gonna head back home. Bye bye, Art of Attack.
What's up the hose?